So what's the difference between the two different types of PPF? Simply, it's the top coat. So the films have exactly the same properties as each other. The only difference is the top coat on the matte satin is opaque. So, what is the difference in price between gloss and satin PPF? The honest answer is there isn't a difference. They're exactly the same price simply because we install them exactly the same and there is no difference in material cost. The warranty on both the xpel Ultimate Plus and xpel Stealth are exactly the same. They come with a 10-year manufacturer warranty. Thanks for watching our latest video. Stay tuned as next time we PPF a Ferrari Pista Pilotti.